Hello dear friends, it's Ella from Shengli Electronic Technology Company. So today I would like to talk about before selling our first wire connectors, how we check its quality. So firstly, we will check the appearance of the connectors. Our work will check everyone, and to avoid the blemishes or flaws on its surface. And secondly, we will check the design. We will check the hands. For example, we will do this to turn on the hands to 19 degrees. If a connectors we can not up to the 19 degrees, that means this connectors is not a good connector, and we will check if this was the directions on the surface of the connectors, like this one. And at last, we will do the test of about the rated current, rated voltage, the flammability, and so on. And follow us more information I will share with you.